to another virtual programming presented to you by the Mesquite Arts Council. I'm your host and instructor, Erica Guajardo, and today we're going to be creating marble painted ornaments. This tutorial is very easy and anyone, no matter what age, can do it. So all you're going to need are a variety of acrylic paints. If you don't have acrylic, any paint will do, even old chunky ones. As long as they have a little bit of movement, it'll work. Also, optional items are going to be a gloss medium or an iridescent medium and or some paintbrushes. Finally, you can't create an ornament without an actual ornament. So we're using glass ornaments, but these could also be plastic if you choose. Just remember that when pushing out your ornaments, be gentle. Wow, if you're ready to get started, so am I. Step 1, take your ornament out. Step 2, take the top off. If you are using glass, be careful. Sometimes these areas are a little sharp. Step 3 is pick a variety of colors that you would like to see inside your ornament. I chose 4. Once you've selected the paints that you want to use, just pop it open and squeeze inside. I'm slightly rotating the ornament as I squeeze different colors in. Once you get your variety of colors in, use gravity to move them around. If you notice that your paint had stopped moving around and you still haven't filled in everything, feel free to add whatever color you want to fill in that space. The bottom of a paintbrush can be used if you get a clog. Feel free to move the paint around using centrifugal force or swirling it around. Once you're happy with your product, you can see that it just painted the inside of your glass, but you're still able to either leave as is or paint the exterior of your glass. If you choose to paint the exterior of your glass and you're using a glass ornament, make sure that you paint this area with glass-friendly paint. You can find the one that I like to use here. Once you get it to this point, you will need it to dry for up to 24 to 48 hours inside. Place the top of the ornament, and if you want to give it an extra added touch, you can place a ribbon through here and it'll be hangable on your Christmas tree or ornament stand. When creating these as a present, a great personal touch is to put a monogram letter, letting an individual know that you were thinking and care about them. If you don't want to paint this letter, remember that paint markers do a great job. Having them stay inside of the container while they're dry is a great way to not have them roll around and break. Another way that you could decorate your ornament is that you could find friendly outdoor materials such as reindeer moss. Reindeer moss is my favorite, and I like to find it here, along with small snowballs, which you can find at the dollar store, and then paint an exterior of white with little trees, dots for snow, and maybe a cardinal, a red bird. Well, I hope you had fun today during this online virtual tutorial. This is our last one for 2020, and we will be continuing in 2021. Until we see each other again, stay safe